So today we start with HTML and CSS and JavaScript. What we read is first we start with HTML. In part 1 we start with the basic of HTML. We review the basic of HTML, HTML5 and do's and spins. So let's start. Tagged HTML basic for reliable people. The web is created with some foundational technologies. Every website uses HTML or hypertext markup language. It makes the content we consume online. HTML, it gives structure to the pages we see. We can add images and links to a website with a series of elements and tags. Let's look at a simple example to get started. There is a simple example: doc type HTML body, heading, paragraph, body, and HTML. We start with the doc type to declare this is HTML. Then we have the open tag for HTML. As you look at the bottom, you see the closing tag for HTML too. The body has similar tags to open and close the element. Heading. We have a heading in our previous example. HTML headings can be from HR H1 to H6. It starts large and gets smaller as the number gets bigger. If we open this in Chrome, this is what you will see. Heading, 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 heading. There is a lot of heading. Paragraph. You can use the HTML paragraphs tags when you have a text block. We saw that in our first example. Here is another one: lorem ipsum $p tag. Now these two are nice elements, but the reason the web is powerful is links. Let's look at those next. Link. The hyperlink or link in HTML is the secret sauce. We can link to the document source or a reference. Of course, sometimes we like to see a picture or image on the screen. To do this, need the image tag. The image tag helps us add visuals components along with the text. I added the width and height, but these are not required, although it can help to keep the sizing correct. Lists. HTML gives us two options for list: order list and unordered list. It looks like this if you can open in the file browser. If we covered some basic here of HTML, there is a lot more to learn. Of course, depending on your work, this may be all you need. My development work has required me to use HTML periodically, although I am no expert. Play around these and you will learn it well.